Running a cold email campaign is one of the easiest ways, one of the most straightforward ways I've found to get new clients. We've used it to match with most of the Fortune 500 for our agency clients and a lot of billion-dollar brands we've been able to sell. We've generated millions of dollars of revenue just from cold email. The problem is if you've tried cold email, it's not as straightforward and as easy as it looks. But luckily, we have put together the cold email optimization checklist, and you can have it for free. What this is the internal tool we use to optimize our cold email campaigns. This checklist will teach you or your team when to rewrite the subject line, when to rewrite the body of the email, what to put in the body of the email, how to check the email to make sure there's no errors before the send goes out. All of that in a very straightforward checklist, and you can have it for free. To get it, go over to experiment27.com/checklist, and you can have that download. Again, the URL is experiment27.com/checklist. Hello and welcome to the Alex Berman YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about lead generation. Lead generation, if you haven't been following the channel, is something that we have covered in depth on this channel many a time. We've generated over $10 million in sales with cold email. I run a lead generation company called X27, where we do done-for-you lead generation for businesses. And we teach a course, Email 10K, that teaches you how to do it yourself, including how to start your own lead generation company, so you can check that out below. Today, I want to break down, in the simplest terms, how to do lead generation work. So stick around. How to do lead generation in 6 steps. Number 1, identify a target. Figure out in as much detail as possible who you're selling to. Is it the CMO at a major soda brand? Is it the CEO at a brewery? Is it the director of IT at a business-to-business software startup? Come up with that level of detail on your targeting and you will be in a good spot. The most important thing to consider here is SaaS is not a niche, startups is not a niche, small businesses is not a niche. You need to get more specific in your offer in order to actually have success with your cold email campaign. You can have some success going generic, but I found that if you customize and you find the perfect spot for your emails, they call it a niche in business terminology. If you find that perfect spot for your emails, then you'll have an incredible amount more success. My little brother was just in town and he's doing video production work. And I talked about this a little bit in the Hustlecation video, but he started with cold emails to small businesses. I saw it. Day 1, cold emails to small businesses, and he got some responses. But the video that he produced was in the gymnastics niche. So once he started emailing the next day, he emailed 100 gymnastics places and he landed a deal like that and multiple people got back. So once you have that target, everything becomes easier. So number 1, identify a target. Number 2, find a lead pool. Check out our video on how to identify a lead pool. And what this means is once you have the type of companies down, you want to find a list of those companies somewhere online that you can easily pull from. Once you have that done, write the emails. Again, check out the description below or sign up for the email list. We'll send you a link to these videos where we go in depth on how to write the emails. You can also check out our course, Email 10K, that goes through exactly how to do that. I recommend customizing the first line of the email. That will avoid you getting marked as spam, and that will avoid you being spam. And that'll increase all of your rates, open rates, response rates, meeting book rate, revenue generated by customizing the first line. We also have a video, 15 first lines to test, that goes through that in detail. After that, the next step is to test, meaning you send in batches between 40 and 100 and you measure the open rates, the response rates, the meeting book rate. If you want the exact tools we use, but make sure you're using a tool and track all of this stuff in detail, because what you do is after that testing's done, you go to the next step, which is improve based on the data. If your open rate's lower than it should be, rewrite the subject line. If your body of the email isn't getting the responses you want, you work on the body. If the offer is crappy, you rewrite the offer. You test different niches, etc., and keep going in a circle until you win, which is the final step. Repeat. If you're running a cold email marketing campaign and you're getting under 80% as your open rate, grab this free document. This is 50 subject lines to test. I've sent over 2 million cold emails. We've generated over $100 million in leads. Click the link below. You can have all these subject lines. And that's how to do lead generation work. Identify a target, find a lead pool, write the emails, test, improve based on the data, and repeat. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching.